Hello, students. Welcome to class today. So let's continue talking about parts of the body. Yeah, parts of the body. So a few classes ago, we met Lily and we talked about all of the parts on her body. So let's quickly review. This is Lily's head. Good. These are Lily's arms. Good. These are Lily's legs. Good. These are Lily's feet. Yeah. Good job, guys. And this is Lily's belly. Yeah, this is Lily's belly. Good job. So let's start class with a little video today.
Listen and sing. Touch your head. Touch your legs. Touch your arms. Clap your hands. Touch your head. Touch your legs. Touch your arms. Clap your hands.
Cute! So that video told us to touch your head. Remember that word we learned last class? Touch. Touch. Good. Okay, so we're going to play a little game where we're going to say, right? Say the body parts that we see. So let's look at this picture. What body parts do we see? What body parts do we see? What's this body part? Arm. Good. What about this body part? Head. Yeah, head. Good. What about this body part? Eyes. Good. Eyes. Can you say eyes? Eyes. Good. Good job, students. What body parts do we see in this picture? What are these? Feet? Good. We see 2 feet. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2 feet. Yeah. What else do we see? What other body parts do we see? I'm listening. Legs. Yes. Good. Legs. We also see a head. Yeah. And a hand. Here, what is the first body part that we see here? Arm. Good. We see one arm. We don't see the other arm. What else do we see? We see two heads. Good. We see two heads. Yeah. What do we see here? Two feet. Yeah, we see 2 feet. Good. 2 feet. Good job. So let's read a little story about a monster. We can see this guy right here is a monster. Can you say monster? Good. Monster. Let's spell that out really quick here. Monster. Yeah. All right, cool. Let's check out. So I'm going to read all about the monster family. Hello. My name is Little Monster. I have a big head. This is my sister. She has big shoulders. This is my brother. He has big knees. Big knees. This is my mother. She has big toes. She has big toes. This is my father. He has big eyes. He has big eyes. This is my grandmother. She has big ears. Ooh, big ears. Wow. This is my grandfather. He has a big mouth. He has a big mouth. This is my monster dog, 一只小狗. He has a big nose. He has a big nose. We are the monster family. Good. Good. So, he has a big head. She has big shoulders. He has big knees. She has big toes. He has big eyes. She has big ears. He has a big mouth. He has a big nose. And they are the monster family. Good job, guys. So what did we learn about the monster family? Big, big, big eyes, big eyes, big head, big head, big ears, 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 big nose, nose, big mouth, big mouth, good. Big shoulders, shoulder, just like our song. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Can we sing? Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Yeah. So let's talk about the face. Last class we said the face. So really quickly, let's talk about our face. So we learned the word for face. Can we say face? Good. We learned the word for eyes. Eyes. Can we say eyes? Good. We learned the word for ears. That one's new. Can we say ears? Good. We just learned the word for nose. 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 Can we say nose? Nose. Good. And lastly, the word for mouth. Can we say mouth? Mouth. Good job. Okay, students, that's our class for today. Thank you so much for coming, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.